just one more, and then I'll make a few announcements, and then we will start. Okay, how about Mercy? Mercy, are you there?
Hello?
Yes, I am here.
Okay. Can we see your face, or they don't want us to see your face? Hi, Mercy. Okay, Mercy, can you introduce yourself to us, please? Nice to see you.
Nice to see you too. Actually, this is like today my very first class. Okay. Hi, my name is Mercy, and I am from Myanmar. The thing is that my mom saw this advertisement, and then like she was like, "You should try joining it, since it's free and you could improve yourself, even though if you don't understand or like something, you should try it. You should give it a shot." And then so I just gave it a shot.
Okay. May we know how old are you? How old you are?
I'm 15 and I'm gonna turn 16 this year. So.
Okay, that's cool. So what do you want to become when you grow up?
I want to serve God. The things that I want to serve God by like praising Him, singing for Him, and working like in like for God, like from media or like music or something related to them, or, like playing instruments or singing or dancing just for God. Like,
Okay, that's cool. And okay, so you said you want to serve God. Will you be able to share us your born again experience?
things that I am Christian since I was young, since I was born.
Uh-huh.
I born again, like how do you say that? Like in 2019, December 1st. I wanted to like get baptized. I wanted to be baptized like in a camp, in that one camp. But like the things that I felt like I'm not really sure. Because I don't want to be like, what do you say? I don't want to be rude to God. Like, if I'm not sure, I don't want to do it. And then after that time, I thought about myself again. If I really really trust God and Jesus. And then I started to begin myself, and I wanted to be baptized. And then the thing is that my brother wanted to be baptized at the same time, and then he talked to my parents. And then so I told them that I want to be baptized too. So yeah, and that's how it was.
Wow, that's cool. That's cool. Thank you so much, Mercy. Thank you for sharing. So, are you good at singing?
Not that much. I don't want to boast myself, and I don't really think I am that good at it.
Oh, okay. I'm sure you're good at it. Practice make perfect. Okay. Thank you so much, Mercy. Thanks for joining us.
Thank you.
Okay. Okay. Let me ask one more, and then we'll do it. How about Salai? Salai, are you there?